Welcome to this incredible, life-transforming video. If you've ever forgotten someone's name just seconds after meeting them, if you've studied for hours and walked away from an exam remembering nothing, or if you walk into a room and completely forget why you came in, then this video is made for you. I'm Samantha, and today you're going to unlock the exact steps to boost your memory, train your brain, and remember anything you want forever. This isn't another simple 5 tricks to improve memory video. This is a complete step-by-step system designed to make your mind sharper starting right now. And here's a bonus. Your English will naturally improve while watching. You'll listen to clear, practical sentences, expand your vocabulary, and understand English more deeply. So, whether your goal is to ace exams, memorize books, speak better English, or train your mind like a champion, stay until the end. By following these steps, you'll never forget what matters again. Let's begin with step 1. How memory works. Before you can remember everything, you need to know why you forget. Many people blame themselves, saying, "I'm not smart. My brain is weak. I can't memorize things." The truth. Your memory isn't broken. It's just untrained. And here's the reason most people struggle. No one ever taught you how memory really functions. Picture your brain like a vast, busy library. Every fact, every name, every date is a book. If the book isn't carefully placed, labeled, and revisited, it's lost among the millions of other books. Memory works in 2 parts, short-term and long-term. Short-term memory is like a whiteboard. You write something, but if you don't save it, it's gone. Long-term memory is like a permanent notebook. Once it's saved there, it lasts forever. Most people leave everything on the whiteboard. They hear a name, read a fact, cram for a test, but never move the information to long-term storage. Imagine you meet someone named Emma at a park. You smile, chat, and walk away. 5 minutes later, someone asks her name, and your mind goes blank. Why? Because you didn't repeat it, link it to something emotional, or visualize it. Now, imagine meeting Emma again and thinking, Emma like the shiny lily flower, her eyes like glowing emeralds. You repeat her name. Nice to meet you, Emma. Later, you recall it again. Emma, what do you do? Your brain has built a strong connection, and next time you see her, the name sticks. Memory is not talent, it's a skill. Step 2. Pay full attention. You can't remember what you never noticed. The reality, most memory problems aren't memory, they're attention. Your brain decides what to keep based on focus. Think about walking out of a cafe. You're distracted, thinking about dinner. You leave your notebook inside. 5 minutes later, your mind is blank. Why? Because you weren't truly paying attention. Now, imagine pausing 1 second, noticing the cover, the title, the pen left behind. That 1 second could save everything. Attention is the gateway to memory. Step 3. Turn words into pictures. Your brain remembers images, not words. If I say tiger, you probably see a big orange-striped animal, not the letters Tiger. That's how memory works. Want to remember someone named Maya? Imagine her hair as shining golden sun rays, her laughter like little birds chirping. The stranger becomes unforgettable. Exaggerated, emotional, or funny images create stronger memories. A volcano. Turn it into a giant chocolate cake, erupting with red frosting lava. Silly. Yes. Effective. Absolutely. Step 4. Use the story method. Your brain loves drama, characters, and emotion. Lists fail. Stories stick. Want to memorize a list? Turn it into a vivid story. An orange bounces off a turtle, which grabs a tiny umbrella, dodges raindrops made of candy, climbs a chair, and meets a dancing fox. Now the list is a mental movie. Stories connect, items create movement, and trigger emotion. And your brain loves that. Step 5. Practice-based repetition. One-time learning is fake learning. Cramming doesn't work. Memory needs time, space, and repetition. Think of learning as writing in scent. Without review, it erodes. Review after 1 hour, 1 day, 2 days, 4 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. Each review strengthens memory. After 5 to 6 repetitions, it becomes permanent. Step 6. Use emotional connection. Emotions make memory last. Your brain remembers feelings, not just facts. History dates add humanity. Titanic sank on April 15th, 1912. Remember the people, the stories, the bravery, the heartbreak. Vocabulary, feel it. Imagine someone leaving you a heartfelt note and now abandon sticks. Step 7. Teach what you learn. Teaching is remembering twice. Share your knowledge immediately after learning. Speak it, write it, record it, explain it. When you teach, your brain organizes, recalls, and rebuilds knowledge, cementing it permanently. Step 8. Build a mind palace. Your brain remembers places better than facts. Use a familiar location. Your home, school, or favorite cafe. Place mental images in each room to remember information. Planets, facts, vocabulary. Everything becomes easier to recall because your brain links it to a space it knows. Step 9. Review before sleep. Nighttime is memory magic. Your brain organizes what you've learned while you sleep. Review key points before bed, even 5 minutes. Speak, visualize, feel proud. Sleep signals your brain. Save this forever. Step 10. Write things down. Writing is the save button for your brain. Notes create a physical and mental connection. Handwriting slows your thoughts, organizes ideas, and builds lasting memory. Words, facts, vocabulary, quotes, lessons all become part of your mind. Step 11. Use active recall. Testing yourself is essential. Close the book, app, or video. Ask yourself, can I remember this without looking? Struggle is learning. Repeat, recall, retrieve strengthens your brain like lifting weights. Step 12. Protect your mind from overload. A crowded brain can't remember anything. Too many notifications, apps, and content block what matters. Create boundaries. Start your day in silence. Limit distractions. Journal. Practice digital fasting. Treat your brain like a garden, not a trash bin. Step 13. Nutrition and exercise for memory. Your brain needs fuel. Omega-3, antioxidants, fruits, nuts, and water improve cognition. Exercise increases blood flow, improves memory formation, and reduces stress. Remember, your mind isn't separate from your body. They work together. Step 14. Use mnemonics. Acronyms, rhymes, and clever phrases are your memory hacks. Remember homes for the Great Lakes, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, Superior. Your brain loves shortcuts. Create your own 4 names, numbers, and lists. Step 15. Practice mindfulness. Meditate, breathe, focus on the present. Anxiety blocks memory. Mindfulness strengthens attention, reduces stress, and allows your memory to work at peak power. By following these 15 steps, you will not just remember better, you will master your mind, speak better English, learn anything deeply, and take control of your focus and memory forever. If you loved this video, make sure to subscribe to English Easy here for more content that transforms your mind, your memory, and your English. Your journey to unstoppable focus starts now.